Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1965 Mustang GT Fastback. Just an absolutely beautiful car here. Has been fully restored with about 3,000 miles since the restoration. 289 4-speed, just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. Before we get too deep into this vehicle, just want to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on the corner of Televast and 301, just north of University, as I mentioned, in Sarasota, Florida. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those are domestic classic cars, and the other 20% are exotic, luxury, and or European vehicles. If you see something in the video today, I'm not going to go through the entire warehouse as I want to concentrate on this 65 Mustang. But if you see something in the video that you are interested in, please visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com or give us a call, and we can give at 941-355-1955, and we can give you more information on something that you have seen. We do have 75 to 100 pictures of all the vehicles on our website. So on this car or any other car you may see, if I'm going too fast with the camera or there's an angle you want to see better, please visit the website. We do have pictures there. The pictures are taken outside and on our lift, so you can see the underside and the paint outside in much better light, along with the interior. If you're not in the state of Florida and you're interested in one of the vehicles that we are looking at or on the website, we do ship. Last year in 24, we shipped to 19 different US states and 6 different countries. So don't worry if you're not in Florida, or if you're somewhere in Florida and can't make it to Sarasota, we can certainly ship to you as well. Just give us a call. All our shippers that we use are fully insured and bonded, and our shipping partner has been shipping cars for over 15 years. Very experienced and knowledgeable. If you are looking for financing or need financing, we can certainly finance your car as well. We do have classic car lenders to finance. Visit the website classiccarsofsarasota.com and look at the finance tab. Back into this beautiful 65 Ford Mustang. As I mentioned, 289. Sorry, as my phone starts watch going off there. 289 4-speed manual. Does have AC. Power brakes, as you can see. Power steering. Very well optioned vehicle. Got the chrome wheels. Disc front brakes. Drum in the rear. As you can see, got the stripe on the rocker. The GT. We'll go ahead and start this up. I'll show you it is in fact a cold start. Connect the battery as we keep all the batteries disconnected while they're inside for safety reasons. We're neutral here. Warm up here a second. rally pack gauges. Seat belts. A traditional fastback look, obviously. Listen to the exhaust. The door shuts very well. No smoke or water coming out of the exhaust. There's that nice little rumble that you get back in the 60s and 70s. Just love the muscle car sound. Again, not too loud, but you certainly can hear your car run. Engine sounds strong. No knocks or ticks that you can hear. As I mentioned earlier, you can see the vintage air. Just absolutely beautiful 65 Ford Mustang GT Fastback. As I mentioned, restored about 3,000 miles ago. The paint is in excellent condition. The car looks very nice. Runs well. Go ahead and grab it up just a little bit as it's been warming up. Again, just a beautiful 65 Mustang. If you are interested, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. I appreciate you tuning in today. Thank you very much.